You know what really grinds my gears? What really grinds my gears is, especially in the workplace, you have to, like, I don't know, be the bigger person. Let me explain. Imagine you didn't do nothing wrong to a person. You did nothing wrong to them. I don't know, like, maybe you just feel some weird energy. And then you gotta check them. Like, hey, like, not check them, but check it. Like, do you have an issue with me? And if so, what is the problem? And how are we gonna fix it so you could be comfortable around me and I could be comfortable around you? Because my main thing is wherever you lay your head, wherever you sleep, like wherever you work, comfortability is the main mission. You're supposed to be comfortable. And I hate when a mother freaking wanna make me feel uncomfortable. Like I hate that really grinds my gears.